how to draw the Irish flag. We are going to start by drawing a line on the left side of our page that is slightly slanted. Then to the right of this line, we are going to draw another line parallel to it. And I am actually going to make this line that we're drawing right now longer than the first one. Then we are going to go back and make the other line on the left longer as well. Like I said, we are going to make the line on the left longer as well, and I'm just going to go over these two lines that we drew and make them a little bit thicker. Then at the very bottom of these two lines, I'm going to draw a small straight line across connecting them. Awesome job! Learn how to draw hub crew. Now at the top of these two lines, I'm going to draw a small circle. This is going to make the flagpole that our Irish flag is going to be connected to. Nice job! Now it is time to draw our flag. For this, we are going to draw a line that is a little bit wavy going right here. This will be the top outline of our flag. The reason the top and bottom outlines of our flag are going to be a little bit curved is because that will make them look as if the flag is waving in the wind. Awesome job! We're all done drawing the top outline of our Irish flag. Now let's draw the bottom outline the same way right here. Looks awesome! Learn how to draw hub crew. Now we are going to connect the top and bottom outlines of our flag by drawing a straight line going up and down. Now the final step of drawing our Irish flag will be to draw two lines going up and down in our flag, creating 3 equal parts. Looks great! We are all done drawing the Irish flag. Now we are going to color in our flag, and you can color along with us if you would like to. For our flag, we are going to color the left part in green, we are going to leave the middle part white, and then color in the right part of our flag orange. Then we are also going to color our flagpole silver, which also kind of looks like a gray color. We would love it if you colored along with us, but if you would like to just see the final product and how it looks at the very end, you can skip ahead to see our colored in flag at the end. But before you do that, think about what you would like to see us draw next and comment it down below so that we could tailor our drawings to what you would like to see. And if you like this video, then give it a big like below. This is how to draw the Irish flag. Thanks for joining with us today, Learn How to Draw Hub Crew, and thanks for coloring along too. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up below, and again, don't forget to comment down below what you would like us to draw next. If you are still in the mood to draw some more, then check out our channel and look at the other videos of many different drawings that we have made. See you again next time, Learn How to Draw Hub Crew.
Hey, Learn How to Draw Hub crew. If you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.